Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews, and we're gonna dive into some things with 2 units today, okay? So if you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and we're gonna be right back. So today's unit was sent to me by Divas, so thank you for kindly sending me this unit. It is the Outre EveryWear lace front wig in the style EVERY20. It's in 16 inches. And like I said, you guys, I got 2 colors today. I got DR Chocolate Swirl, which is the color that I am wearing. And then I also got it in the color 2, which is what you saw earlier. So the stock card is super simple. It's an AM to PM style. Lace front EveryWear is the wear everywhere. Wig and styles that go with everything from day to night, uptown, downtown, or just across the town. Stay polished with its ear-to-ear HD lace for a natural look that will keep you looking impeccable everywhere. So I do like this unit. As you guys know, I love me some plop and goes on my channel. This unit was a plop and go. I didn't have to glue it down. And if you want a more in-depth, like seamless blend with the wig, I would say glue it in. But for me personally, I don't like gluing down my synthetic units. But this is definitely giving me newscaster vibes. Like I'm feeling like a news anchor right now. Hi, I'm Donita Petite with Channel 11 News, and today you are going to watch how to slay a wig. See? Already got it. But I'm loving this color. I love this color. So I got 2 units from Divas, so thank you for kindly sending me these units. Again, it does range on the website for $39. And I do notice that there are some differences between this unit and the color 2. So the color 2, I will say it's more silky. In my opinion, it does feel more silky than this texture. This texture feels more yucky, it feels more textured. This one is looking more like a blowout. Like you just went to the salon, you got like a Dominican blowout, you know, like I don't have a relaxer, that type of look. This one feels as if I have a relaxer. So just keep in mind that if you do decide to get the 2 or maybe the 1B, the texture is a little bit different, you guys. I love this one because it's giving like natural hair blowout, and I love that. Let's see if you guys can see yourself. I do love the coloring. I'm a huge fan of the chocolates, the browns. If you're not familiar with my channel, I love the chocolates and browns. I would have done a blonde wig, but I just recently did a blonde wig on my channel, so I was like, I don't want to do another blonde back to back. But I am loving this brown. It's cute. It's a short, like, it's a simple, like, long bob, and it's definitely good for everyday wear. This definitely gives like work vibes, you know, like governor vibes or something. One of my friends, her husband runs for like a political party in Pittsburgh, and like I can see her in this wig, okay? Miss Second Lady she is. But yeah, so other than that, y'all, that was it. That's easy, right? But other than that, as far as tangling and shedding, I haven't experienced any tangling or shedding with the 2 unit, but with this one, fresh out the package, I was having a few knots, and I'm like, what's going on? This is my first time coming it through. Why are there knots? The cap size is definitely big head friendly. I did have to use the combs to, you know, have a more secure fit. In the back, I do have it like almost on the tightest setting so it can grip really, really nicely. I'm not getting headache vibes, but the parting space is nice as well. I am loving this wig. The only thing that I did was that I sprayed my Eben lace tint in the color medium brown, dark medium brown, and then I actually cut it on my head because I wanted to give it more of like a jagged edge versus me cutting it off of my head. So I cut it on so I can get more of like the jagged look. Make sure you don't cut your edges, you guys. I have mine slicked back with my Eben edge control. So I'm an Eben fan over here. That's it. This unit is simple. It's good for on the go. It's definitely a great work wig. If you, even after work, if you want to get cocktails with some coworkers or meet up with some girlfriends, like it's literally perfect. So I love this wig. It does come with baby hairs, so you don't really have to do anything with it. I kind of just let my baby hairs lay because I like to give that more like natural flow. It is cropped a little bit for a little bit of face framing, but if you wanted to do more, you could definitely do that. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you enjoy this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get reminders every time I post a video. Let me know in the comments below how you are feeling about this EVERY20 wig in 16 inches, okay? I'm Donita Petite with Channel 4 News, and thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Namaste.